Welcome to Course 2 of the French Novice level. In Course 1, you learned basic words and expressions to greet family and friends, to describe yourself and those close to you, and to speak about things you like and do for fun. In this course, you will continue to build your vocabulary by learning additional words and expressions on the same topics. And just like in Course 1, the focus will be on using the present tense. You will learn how to form questions in French, so you will be able to ask your friends to tell you what they like and do for fun, like watching movies, reading books, or playing video games. You will also learn the times of the day, morning, afternoon, etc., the days of the week, the months, and the seasons of the year. Finally, you will learn how to tell and ask for the time and the date. From this course, the additional vocabulary and the ability to ask questions will increase your confidence to participate in casual, everyday conversations. So, let's get started!